how to link Duo Mobile to your account. First things first, you want to open up the App Store and get Duo Mobile if you don't have it already. So you want to search for Duo Mobile, click on here, and you want to get the app itself. This is what it looks like. You want to get it and click on Open. Now once you have Duo Mobile installed, right here you have to click on Continue, and you have the option of adding or linking your account using a QR code or an activation code. So how this is going to work: when you click on use a QR code, it's going to let you scan the QR code which the website has given you. The easier method, in my opinion, is getting an activation code. You can click on use activation code here, and then you can select the website which you are trying to log into. For example, let's say that you are trying to log into Amazon. You will just type your Amazon activation code right here. You can get this code in the application settings or help menu. So depending on the website which you're trying to use, the activation code will be found in different locations. So for example, here, if you go to app.net, you will be able to see where you can find the code. Once you find the code, click on the website which you're trying to link, put the activation code right here, click on next, go through the prompts, and that is how it works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.